I didn't realize I was burning out because nothing had actually fallen apart yet. I was still replying to messages, still getting things done, still showing up. But inside, I was tired in a way sleep couldn't fix. My mind felt loud all the time, and even the smallest task felt heavier than it should. That's the weird thing about burnout. It doesn't always look like collapse. Sometimes it looks like functioning with no peace left inside you. So, I gave myself 7 days, not to become a new person, not to fix my entire life, just 7 days to come back to myself before I disappeared under the weight of my own habits. And what happened in those 7 days changed more than I expected. Day 1, I stopped pretending I was just tired. No more glamorous excuses, no more "I'll rest after this week," no more acting like constant stress was normal. I admitted the truth. I wasn't being productive, I was being slowly drained. And sometimes healing starts with one sentence: "This isn't sustainable anymore." Day 2, I cleaned the space I was living in. Not perfectly, not aesthetically, just enough to breathe again. Because clutter doesn't only sit on your desk, it sits in your chest, in your thoughts, in the background of every day, quietly telling your nervous system, "You're behind, you're behind, you're behind." So I cleared one corner, then one drawer, then my bed. And somehow that tiny bit of order made life feel less impossible. Day 3, I got quiet. No podcast, no music, no scrolling while eating, no constant noise to drown out what I was feeling. And honestly, it was uncomfortable. Because when life gets too loud, silence stops feeling peaceful. It starts feeling exposing. But in that silence, I noticed something important. I didn't need more motivation. I needed more clarity. Day 4, I stopped trying to win the whole year in one afternoon. That was the habit exhausting me the most. I kept making impossible plans, then hating myself for not living up to them. So instead, I asked, what would make today feel a little more honest? A walk, a proper meal, one completed task, an earlier night. Not everything, just enough. That day taught me something I wish I learned sooner. A life gets rebuilt in small, believable promises. Day 5, I let myself be a human being again, not a machine, not a self-improvement project, a person with limits, a person with emotions, a person who cannot heal while being harsh with themselves every second of the day. And weirdly, the moment I stopped attacking myself, I had more energy to change. Day 6, I protected my mornings. No instant chaos, no grabbing my phone like my mind belonged to the world before it belonged to me. Just a slower start. Water, light, breathing, writing, looking out the window. Tiny things, but tiny things repeated become identity. Day 7, I realized getting my life together doesn't mean becoming perfect, it means becoming present. It means noticing when your soul is overwhelmed. It means choosing peace before your body forces you to. It means understanding that rest is not a reward, it's maintenance, it's wisdom, it's self-respect. So no, in 7 days I didn't become flawless, but I did become aware again. Softer, clearer, more here. And sometimes that's how your life comes back together. Not all at once, not dramatically, just quietly, the moment you finally decide you want to feel alive again. If you've been running on empty, maybe this is your sign. You do not need to wait until everything breaks to start choosing yourself. Stay in the fire, subscribe, and keep forging.